Hi, this is Chuck Elliott again with Elliotts Coolers. One of the things I wanted to say about Russell again is I love their options on their equipment, their coils, and also them being teamed up with Tropic. For an example, we had a job where the customer changed the size of the freezer to a smaller box. The coil that we originally had sized for this was a 3-fan. So all at the last minute, we figured this 3-fan coil is too big. I called Tropic. They immediately got in touch with Russell, figured out what we needed to do to fix this problem. They had another evaporator that was 2 fans, but the same BTU, so we didn't have to change the condensing unit. The condensing unit was already mounted on the roof, and they got the coil overnighted into me, and they actually even personally delivered it themselves to my office. The evaporator coil has to be installed in the morning. The system has to be running by Friday. And once again, Tropic, teamed up with Russell, has come through for us and made it happen. And like I said, even if it's not their own delivery guys doing it, they personally brought it out, the managers and the owners part of it. So once again, thank you, Tropic and Russell.